Today we're working on the P2004 code that keep coming up in my 2004 Mustang V6 3.8. So yeah, I have the 40th anniversary edition, and I'm trying to get rid of this P2004 code without pulling the whole intake off. That's a lot of work. But so I come back here and I see my problem. This right here is the lever that's off, and that's all I need to do is try to hook it on here. Pop it right in that hole. Let me move a couple stuff out of my way so I can get to it and make this 10-minute fix, quick fix. Pull off the brake booster. Cord, hose, and I'm gonna put that little rod that making that 204 code back on here. Let me use my long pliers to give me some reaching distance. Let me see if I could be able to. Use my pliers to pop that little rod right on there. On camera. Okay, I decided to go get one of these clip things. Get the real tiny one, like that. Then I I came over here, just popped it on that. Sun glare messing up everything, but if you could see, the arm, and I was able to install the little clip on that arm, if you can see it, and bam, I should get rid of that 20P2004 code. Easy fix, don't have to take the intake apart. Hope you see the clip, it's on there. That little clip right there, the small one. Pop right on there. I use my good little thing. Put it on here. I hope this worked for you guys. Like it if it do work.